All right, hello. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a new website we're going to be using in class. It's PBS Learning Media. So the link I gave you will bring you to the teacher's website. So the first thing you're going to do is click for students. And when you get here, you will have a ton of things to choose from. So you could use PBS for more than just our class if you're interested. But you're going to scroll all the way over to Language Arts and click that for this class once it goes and press Show Me. And once that loads, you have a whole range of sections that you can click on. So there's writing, speaking and listening, language, reading. The first thing you're going to do is filter it by grade level. So we are in grade 3. And then it gives you a ton of videos and lessons that you can do and interactive lessons where you can play games while you're doing them, galleries with more videos, images, and then even documents that we can print out, or you can even print out at home. But for today, the first thing you're going to do, which what we're going to use this for this week, is you're going to click on literature. And again, make sure it's on 3rd grade. And we are going to go to craft and structure on this sidebar. And then from that, it gives us a whole range of videos, again, and more lessons and interactive lessons and galleries you can choose from. But this week, we are going to learn about how to structure our writing. So the first video you're going to watch is the Who, What, Where segment. From WNet, and it's 3 minutes and 11 seconds, so it's not too long, so I expect you guys to be able to sit through that. And when you're finished with that, you're going to go all the way down to interactive lessons, and this lesson, called Storytelling with Words and Pictures, gives you an idea about how to structure your writing. So when you click on it, and then you'll press launch, but it gives us even more stuff. So when we press launch, obviously you'll sign in, or you can continue as a guest like I am doing. But it gives you a whole story time with Lula. And when you scroll down, you'll click on the video to meet Ira and listen to the decisions Ira makes when creating a story. And then you'll go to the next page, and then it's elements of a story. So this is where you'll learn about character and setting, plot, conflict, and resolution, which is everything that's combined in our writing. The next page is The Ant and the Grasshopper. So it gives us a story that you're going to listen to, or you can even read it if you want to, called The Ant and the Grasshopper. And it's going to give us examples of those character setting, plot, conflict, and resolution ideas. And so you'll click on the story right here and watch that, and then even read it if you want to. The next page is tips, tricks, and advice from Ira to help you guys with your writing. You go to the 5th page, and it's Escape from Candy Island Part 1. So this is where you'll arrange and your activity and do all your drawings, okay? And so you'll put it in the way that you think it's supposed to go based on what you've learned from the past 5 pages. Your 6th page is part 2 for that same thing. So then you're going to actually write your story about escaping Candy Island based on what you did the last in part 1 about putting all those pictures together. Now you're going to put those pictures and make it into a full story with your own words. And then page 7 is the last one, and it's goodbye. And so you'll write it, and you'll write your story, and then that's what we're doing for just today. But like I said, you can use PBS for more than that. But for today, that's what we're going to do. So have fun, enjoy yourself, and if you have questions, let me know.